Morning flame, we rise from the pile, forged in heat, a purpose entire, with scales of obsidian, hearts burning bright. Brothers of hope, when we march to the fight, into the fires of war, until the Anvil of War. Hammer and flame, we strike evermore, defenders of terror, hear the thunderous roar. Into the fires of war, until the Anvil of War. For folk and slain, we will endure through ash and blood. Our hearts are pure. In the furnace of battle, we stand tall. Unyielding in purpose, we answer the call. Crafting destruction with flame in our veins. To protect the weak, we embrace the pain. Into the fires of war, until the Anvil of War. Hammer and flame, we strike evermore, defenders of terror, hear the thunderous roar. Into the fires of war, until the Anvil of War. For folk and slain, we will endure through ash and blood. Our hearts are pure. In the furnace of battle, we stand tall. Unyielding in purpose, we answer the call. Crafting destruction with flame in our veins. To protect the weak, we embrace the pain. Into the fires of war, until the Anvil of War. Hammer and flame, we strike evermore, defenders of terror, hear the thunderous roar. Into the fires of war, until the Anvil of War. For folk and slain, we will endure through ash and blood. Our hearts are pure. Through nocturnes, woven heart we rise, searing the skies with our battle cries. Tempered by fire, fathers and soul, unwrap that fury will make the galaxy whole. War. Into the fires of war, until the Anvil of War. Hammer and flame, we strike evermore.